The 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.